third gen Camaro in it, unique, especially in classics. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, IROC-Z package on it. So this does have the B4Z RPO code, true IROC-Z. Also, as you can see, CC1 RPO code car with the T-tops. Nice looking in bright red. It has had a repaint. Paint does not appear to be all that old. Nice luster to it. So a very nice driver quality paint. 305 or 5-liter underneath the hood. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior. Check out all different sides of it up close. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. As you can see, not a lot of rock chips, dings, scratches in the front fascia. Let's see, also underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Had it running a little bit ago. Compressor kicking on and off. And was cold air coming through the vents. See the Z28 wheels. Now it does have gray cloth interior, bucket seats, automatic with overdrive transmission. Appears the interior looks pretty original on this one. It is an 85,000 original mile car. As you can see, dash in nice shape. Has had an aftermarket stereo added to it. Other than that, interior looks pretty stock. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Feel free to ask your sales consultant when you call in or email. It does have the privacy shade back here, so you can cover up anything you may have in the rear of this car or stored. And then, of course, you can see through the reflection. It does have the T-top bag. The T-tops are in there. They'll be stored back there while this car sits indoors on our showroom floor. And again, check out those still pictures, unique classic cars. Or call us 507-386-1726. See up and down the side here, nice reflection from that paint. Not full of dings, scratches, dents, anything like that. All right, let's check this out. We're going to start it up. We'll check out that engine bay and look this one over a little closer. So power locks, power mirrors. Also does have power windows. I did notice the rear hatch, you have to use a key to open it. The little hatch release wasn't working there. Power seat, driver's side. Nicely equipped car. I also noticed, if you watch that oil pressure gauge, it doesn't always read right. It's not the oil pressure itself, it's the actual gauge, because it'll bounce and bang around on there. So it's either the gauge or connection or wiring. Other than that, it appeared that everything else was working. Turn the radio down. There's your miles, 85,000. Fuel gauge works. Amp meter. There you can see the gauge flicker on that oil pressure. Other than that, dash looks good. Wipers did work, had those going also, and like I said, AC blew cold. Compressor kicks on and off fine. Power windows. You can see it does have some nice Z28 floor mats there. I did take pictures with them out if you want to look at what the carpet looks like underneath them. Carpet looked good in it. Also, sometimes you get a little bit of a sagging headliner back here. Everything looks good there. Hear how smooth this thing runs. Nice sounding car. I'll slip up to the front, pause this a second. Let's pop this hood and let you get a look at the engine bay. Alright, got the hood popped. Here's that 5-liter or 305 underneath the hood. Tune port injected. Again, AC blows cold. Power steering, power brakes. Nice, tidy engine bay on this one. And as you can see, nice smooth running V8. So there you have it. Looking for a nice IROC T-top car. Here it is, 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 IROC-Z package, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.